Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. And so this week's nail tutorial is going to be a quick and easy one, but on Instagram I found a new technique to do marbling design, so that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So before I get started and you continue watching, go ahead down below and subscribe to my channel please, and like this video and share this video, because this is an easy technique to do marbling that you should see and do for yourself, because it makes marbling much more easier and more doable than the water marbling or anything else like that. So sit back and relax, and let's get started with this video. Okay guys, today we're going to do a marbling design on the nails. I know, marbling, it's very scary, but we can all do this one. So first you want to prep your nails, and then you want to add your favorite base coat that you want to do. Once you do that, you want to start with a white, just one coat of a white base coat so the marbling can lay on top. So just one coat of that. Okay, so this new technique I seen and figured out is you want to use like a sandwich bag, something silky that you can lay the nail polish on top. So like a sandwich bag type of material. So just get a sandwich bag. So then you want to first put a little box, rectangle box of white down on the sandwich bag. I'm gonna make it too big because you're gonna need more space. I'm gonna do this more than once. So yeah. And then you want to use the color of choice that you want your marbling design to be. So I used a maroon color. We have some shimmer in it. A gold glitter polish. A very shimmery metallic purple. Pearl, peachy pearlescent type of nail polish color. So you can use any kind of colors that you want for your marbling, but that's what I used in that order. I did 2 layers of them. So you want to get a lot on that brush out of the nail polish bottle to make a little bubble at the end, so it just drops down on a light square. So then you do that for each color, so as it builds up, do that layering twice on top of each other. And then use a flat nail brush to move those colors around in a marbling type of dealio that you have seen before and know how to do marbling. Moving around to mix all the colors together basically. Tip here, don't mix too much so the colors be all mudded together, but just mix it good enough to get that nice marbling look. Then you want to scoop it up, so take that nail brush and scoop up that polish, and then it might be thick at this point. It's fine, don't worry. So you want to scoop up the nail polish and kind of like, don't press hard, but lightly move it around the nail. And when you put it on the nail, lightly move it around, and then you scoop some more up and keep doing that. You keep doing that to fill up your nail space. After you do that, and it's kind of thick, so you want to use your thumb, your index finger, whatever finger, and you want to press on that side, just lightly to press on that side and drag it off to take away that excess nail polish. So you want to do on each nail side and then even the tip of the nail. You want to drag that nail polish down once you do the tip, so you can have that covered on the edge, and it should spread out throughout the nail and be more thinner coat. And then you do that for each nail. Your top coat of your choice, and I have the Pro Effects Quick Drying High Gloss top coat. So then I put that on all of the nails, and you see the magic of it being sealed, and it's my favorite part to see it being sealed with the top coat. I don't know why, but it's my favorite part. So you guys, what do you think about this new technique marbling design that I did today for you guys? I thought it was pretty cool. I was really excited to do it, and I thought it came out great. Go down below and comment if you have seen this technique before or not, or if you comment down below if you like this technique, and comment down below if you like this marbling colors and marbling look. So yeah, go down below and comment and do your thing down there. But before you go, if you haven't at the beginning, go ahead and subscribe at this time down below, and like this video and share this video, please. I much appreciate it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.